Hi everyone, this is Jason from LockRockIt. I just wanted to come back to you with another video about cleaning your bike parts, making them look new and household products. And before I start, I just wanted to apologize. There's a bit of wind here in sunny Vancouver in the summer. And we're enjoying this sunny day. Me and my buddy are shooting this video for you just on how to restore, if you bought an old bike, restore the plastic fenders that come with the bike. You can see this one's had its day. You know, it's a bit dry and scratched up, and let's say you want to restore that to maybe a nice looking fender so that it doesn't look so junky or crappy. And basically what I'm going to do is just use oil to restore the dry look to the plastic. Basically just moisturizing the plastic bits like you would polish a car. It's the same premise. Just make it look new with the oil. Now, if you saw our previous video, I used oil to clean these handle grips, make them restored to basically a new used handle grip. They were really dirty, and just oil, what it does, helps to dissolve the grease and the dirt that's been entombed in the grip for how many years it's been used, and really is effective at getting that out because it's been used for so long, and basically restoring it after you clean it with oil, and we use alcohol to get that oil out. So let me just go ahead and show you how to make this look new. So you can see it's white and scratched up. We're just going to get some oil, and I recommend using baby oil or a mineral oil, not like a food sort of organic based oil, but this will serve and work for you for the video today, but it doesn't have to be. It shouldn't actually be organic. So just grab some oil and quickly apply some of that. See, it makes it look kind of new and black. Takes off some of the grime too. But you can just sort of remove some too while you're at it. Remove some of the excess with the rag, and put some my trusty helper just took off, so I'll have words with them later. Get the front done here. Yeah, when you're cleaning your bike, a lot of the times oil is helpful to use because grease is already present on the bike, and grease attracts dirt, and basically oil helps to dissolve what's already there. And yeah, it'll attract more dirt for those of you guys who are saying, well, why add more grease to what's already dirty? Yes, it will attract more dirt, but you just want to add enough to get the surface moisturized and lubricated, and then remove the excess oil, and you can see it kind of leaves the fender looking much nicer. So there you have it. Quick video on how to restore your old fenders quickly.